talking about animal rights extremism, that it has a different philosophy. The ideology is completely different from animal welfare, which inherently is based on an understanding that people live and work with animals. Animal rights is opposed to any use of animals, no matter how humane, no matter how responsible, no matter how much benefit might be gained. So we were talking earlier about the research that is leading to cancer cures and leading to people being able to get up out of wheelchairs and walk for the first time in their life. These cures would not come, and they would say it doesn't matter. And in fact, they would go a step further. And in Peter Singer's book, he recommends that it would be appropriate in some circumstances to use a retarded child for the research subject instead of an animal. So this is a completely different paradigm. This is not only, un-American, but it's, the entire country is based on the sort of Judeo-Christian beliefs, and this is antithetical to that totally, right? We would know, and the Nuremberg trials after Nazi Germany, right? We know we do not use human beings in research. It's wrong. So it is a completely different philosophy. And what happened was Peter Singer wrote his book, and there were a number of other books at the same time of philosophers coming together to talk about the next step in expanding rights. We start with the Magna Carta and somebody besides the king gets rights, right? And you move on down, and the Western tradition is a constantly evolving set of rights. But it was always people before, people who could represent their own interests. Well, the animals, only these fundraising groups can recommend them, right? Mm. So you have bureaucracies and different political structures being built up in order for them to get rights for animals. Well, animals can't act on rights themselves, right? We have to take care of them.